Hello everyone, today we will discuss about insulation resistance. So what is insulation resistance in marine system? All electrical equipment has insulation. The purpose of the insulation is to prevent direct contact with the live conductors. The value of the insulation resistance must be high enough to prevent the current leakage away from the conductors, and it is measured in the two ways. So now I will discuss how this will be happen. So the first purpose of the insulation is to prevent the direct contact, prevent the direct contacts with the live conductor. So if somebody is working on this, so it will uh, protect that person from the electrical shocks. And the another main function of the insulation resistance is it prevent the current leakage from the conductors. So it does not allow the current to leak from the conductors. It will just contain the current in within the conductor only. So there are two ways in which the insulation resistance we measured. The one is the between the conductors and the earth. Means if let's say we have a electrical motors and it is having a various terminals, so means between the terminals and the body of the, we will measure the insulation, and that insulation is between the conductor and the earth. And if we measured between the two terminal, and that measurement is known as between the conductors. So two way we normally use in the real scenario to measure the insulation. One is between the conductor and the body, and another one is between the conductors. The minimum acceptable value of insulation resistance is limited by the relevant classification society regulations. So this is depend upon the classification society to classification society and country to country. So they will just set their value that this much minimum insulation resistance we want. And for us, we normally consider 1 mega ohm is the minimum value for insulation resistance. Thank you.